The purpose of our visit has already been announced by the Master of Ceremony. I want to let you know that whatever affects Borno, that he said, also affects me. It is in that capacity, therefore, Your Excellency, that we have come here with my delegation, as mentioned or announced, to commiserate with you, the government, and the good people of Borno State. This is a monumental disaster that has not been witnessed before in the history of this state. Therefore, we want to let you know that you are not alone in this sad event, which led to the loss of thousands of lives, and to offer our deepest condolences to the repose of those who have died. Of course, it is a time of rebuilding, because that is what follows immediately after such disasters. And we are not alone in that. We want to let you know that we are all partners as far as the rebuilding of Maiduguri and Borno State in general is concerned. Therefore, I want to announce my own contribution to the rebuilding of Borno State to the tune of 100 million. And we will appreciate details of where that money can be paid into. And of course, finally, we pray for the repose of the souls of those who have died. May Almighty Allah grant them eternal rest and peace.